If you want to turn off Marketplace notifications on Messenger, okay, don't worry, I'm going to break down the easiest way to do it, step by step. First thing what you're going to want to do is open the Facebook app, not Messenger, because Marketplace settings are handled over there. Go ahead and tap the menu icon right here. You'll probably see 3 lines or your profile picture. Now scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Over here, what you're going to want to do is look for notifications under Preferences. Tap Notifications. Then look for Marketplace in the list. Tap on Marketplace. Now you're going to see Allow Notifications on Facebook. Go ahead and turn that off. Then tap Turn Off to confirm. Wow, this would stop Marketplace alerts from coming into Messenger already. If you still get messages and want to control them a bit more, let me show you how to mute chats. Open the Messenger app. Look for a Marketplace conversation over here. Swipe left on the chat. Tap the mute icon. Now you'll see options like 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until you change it. Choose one option. Okay, this would help you silence specific chats without turning everything off. If you have a lot of chats and want to manage them together, give me a sec. I'll show you another way. Open Messenger. Tap the menu in the bottom right. Go to the Marketplace folder right here. From here, you can tap the Edit option and manage or delete multiple chats at once. Great. This would help you clean up Marketplace messages quickly. Now, if you want to reduce Marketplace activity even more, there's one more setting you gotta check. Go back to the Facebook app. Tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Scroll down and look for the tab bar option. Tap Customize the bar. Now look for Marketplace over here. Select Hide from the drop-down. Oh great, the Marketplace tab would be gone from your bottom bar. This would help reduce distractions and stop extra activity coming after your Messenger. Anyways, these are the best ways to turn off Marketplace notifications on Messenger. Make sure you follow each step ahead and check everything properly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comments and I would like to help.